Hello everybody, my name is James and this is Reverend and welcome back to Sniffle Souls. What am I looking for? Because I have a plan. Yes, that should all do. Very well. Very well indeed. Today we're not going to go straight to fighting the Black Dragon Calamite as I had previously planned because something hit me yesterday whilst I was playing through and finally beat Artorias on Speriv, my almost purely strength character. Basically, if we take a pop over here to the old Firelink Shrine, excuse me, I'm going to cough. If we do that, and we go do a running jump under a bridge, we get to see how much Knight Artorias' armor costs. And then, if we get old Frampy Boy and give him some of our precious materials, then I personally believe that we'll have enough souls to buy Artorias' set and look a bit abyssy. And I think it would be apt to wear that whilst we fight Manus of the Abyss. Because I don't think we're going to get Lord's Blade Kieran's set. Because we didn't kill her, and I don't know if she shows up again. And I don't know if we get her set if you do kill her, because I haven't come back here on Speriv, where I did in fact kill her.
Aye, Shemai. I didn't expect to meet anybody here. I suppose great minds think alike, eh?
I like this guy. What you got? Crystals, normal, then boom. Okay, so we'll need 80k souls. Bloody hell. We might not even be able to get that. But I don't think we need the helm because we want to stay oniony. Armor of Artorias, the Abyss Walker, one of Gwyn's 4 knights. The death of the armor's owner can be surmised by the corrosive dark of the Abyss. The tattered azure blue cape, once a symbol of pride and glory. Compromise their protective utility. Azure blue tassel. Right.
Well,
Well,
that is a shame then. But no matter. No, not to worry. Come back again. I'm always available. Not every trade was meant to be. There'll be more in store for us. Someday. Sometime.
man, this guy's great. Right, I'm gonna take off some clothes just to make this bit a bit easier. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. I'm thinking maybe I'll use a Homewood Bone next time, depending on if we have any, like, spare souls. But I do know how many we need, so we shouldn't have many spare souls, if any. I thought you would have given up, but no, apparently not. Running, 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 running. Come over here. Hello, Framp.
I am. Is it?
I want to feed you. So if I feed you that, Total Smile's only worth 1. That sucks. Okay, so we can buy 1 thing so far. I don't know how much the Souls of Proud Knights give you, but I'm pretty sure it's more than 500. Really? We're only going to be able to get, like, 2, maybe 3 bits. Man, that sucks. Ugh. Oh well. Just sell some of these. Hang on, we're only at +4? Why are we only at +4? And why is the... Oh, right, we're going to make it into a divine one. That makes sense. Da-da-da. I want to keep all of the, like, rather unique ones. Get rid of that because we've got the Crystal Halberd, and the Gargoyle's Halberd, and the Giant's Halberd. I'll get rid of the short bow. You can fire faster, but less damage. Yeah, I'll get rid of the heavy crossbow. I don't need the Callists, but I'm gonna keep them. Get rid of that. 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 I'm not getting rid of that, or that. Or that. Or that. Or that. Or that. Okay. Arrows. I don't need the large arrows. Keep them. I don't need the heavy bolts. Okay, sell that. Sell that. I'm sorry for how interesting this must all be, but you know, everyone needs to see a bit of the old Artorias. Dun, dun, dun. Want to keep that. Actually, no I don't, because I've got the Thieves Mask. Gotta keep all the Pyromancy stuff. Gotta keep Solaire stuff, the Black Iron stuff, gotta keep all the Katarina stuff, I've gotta keep all them. Gotta keep all Chester's stuff. Keep all the Maiden stuff. I don't remember where I got that from, but keep it anyway. Sell all the hollow stuff. Keep the Silver Knight stuff. Sell one of the Fangboar helms. Keep all Smau's stuff, which is only worth 1. Why is it only worth 1? That's very interesting. Okay then. I'm just gonna leave that, I guess.
Farewell.
Tarbro. Now then. Boom. 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 That'll do for now. How much are these worth? 2k. I knew it wasn't worth selling them for 500 each. Oh, I never noticed the neck bit of the onion helm before. That's interesting. Boom. Boom. Oh, actually, I should really... Ah, no, I'm gonna have to equip a ring of my rare ring of sacrifice, aren't I? Because I don't have a normal ring of sacrifice. Ah, lame. Oh well. Alright, so far we can get 2 bits. 3 bits. Ah, man, we're gonna make it. 4 bits. Hello. Thank you, and very good. Now then, let's hope I don't miss this bloody jump and die, because that would suck. Still got the fast roll. Yeah, good. Oh, that was close. Now I've got to make sure to not fall off here. Oh, the tension is high. The tension is very high. I could get like 3 level ups out of this, maybe. Purchase. Come on, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you.
Thank you. That was a fine trade. I have this funny feeling we'll meet again soon. And we'll make another fine trade, of course.
Such a great dude. Now then, anyone want to see what we look like if we go all Artorias on this? Because I have a feeling everyone does. Go back to Havel's Ring. Ah, yes. You look so badass. I mean, we don't have the right posture and broken arm and whatnot, but wow, our roll isn't even too bad. Let's see if we can make the jump. We made it! Yeah! We do need to upgrade our sword again, though. So, I guess we're going to warp to that other place. Do that. If we take off the helm, how do we do? The roll's still not much better. Take off... If we change the legs for Chesters... No, not Chesters. If we change them for the Katarina legs, take off the gauntlets, and put the onion back on. How do we do? There we go! Now this is style. It's not quite as fancy and dapper as the Chester's was, but still good. Where's the one I'm looking for? Undead Parish. I believe that's the one. Ah! There we go. So today all I have to drink is like a half bottle of water because I was in a bit of a rush to start this. So, hopefully I can make it last. Weaponsmith box! Tool used to etch titanite into weapon reinforcement. Weapon reinforcement. That's a point. I wonder if I could just have reinforce it at the bonfire. I need 2k souls. That's no problem. I might as well just go grind them in here. I also need to go find Power Overwhelming, I think. But I do want to see how well Black Flame does against these guys. Dun 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 dun. Oh, okay. Fine, be like that. I understand. Okay, if I kill one of them, that'll make the rest of this a bit easier. Why did it just go straight through them? That seems mildly unfair, to be honest. I'm not going to get a chance to kill just one of them, am I? Oh, I did! Haha, yes! Ooh, very nice. Do I have the 2k souls yet? No, I need to kill one more. Well, Black Flames, looks like you get another shot. Oh, I really do need to reinforce my Estus flasks a bit more. Where does one find other Firekeeper souls? I do also need to explore the rest of Sen's fortress. How very interesting. Oh, I missed. I wasn't close enough. Boom. Take that. Sen's fortress does always confuse me, because there's a drop up there, which I assume you get to by dropping off something higher up. There's a drop down there, which I'm not sure how you get to, unless you drop down somewhere. And there's all the stuff at the bottom, which you can't really get to without dying half the time. Why are we not fast rolling anymore? We were earlier. That's mildly worrying and fairly confusing. So there's iron leggings aren't helping. Oh, the leggings of Artorias are actually lighter. Okay. I understand. Let's go without the legs. That's better. Yeah, I love the physics of the ragdolls in this game. Run, 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 run. Okay, reinforce that. Wait, what's it take to continue reinforce our shield? Oh, we haven't reinforced it at all? What is this? Oh, I don't have any Titanite shards. Right. Great soul of a hero of legend who has long ago gone hollow, used to acquire an incredible amount of souls. That one is, like, better than smell. I don't know how many you get, though. Ooh, I think it'd be too many. I'm gonna use that one. I'm gonna be cautious. Hello, Andre. How you doing?
Well, you seem need anything forged?
Yes, if that's possible. Can I not go to +6? Do I need like a Titanite, like a twinkling Titanite slab or something? Because if so, that would suck. Right, I'm gonna need 1 for the first level, 2 for the second, so that's 3. Then we need 3 more, so that's 6. Then I'm gonna need 4, so that's 10. So I'm gonna need 15 Titanite. If I can do maths. 8
I'll
times
be
by
seeing you
15
then.
is 80. Yeah, this will be enough. Roll.
Well,
Hopefully it'll be enough to actually afford the things as well. Boom. Got anything else to question? Have I not bought that yet? Holy hell. Well, I'm thinking I'm gonna buy that. Oh, did I buy too much Titanite? No, me, I probably did, but we can do some armor reinforcement, so it's all good. Up in this grass crest shield, bro. Gotta have it at its best and its finest. Boom. Now we can probably modify it, no? No, we can't. Okay. Right. Armor then. Onion helm. There we go. Repair. Oh. Yay. Don't need to. Right, so now I need 20k souls. I won't, dude. Thank you for worrying, though. It means a fair amount.
well,
Hello. Right. I've already purchased that. That's all good.
don't get
I mean, I look like the dude. I'm running around. It's all good. Boom. Rest here. Now then, I do kind of want to warp to the depths to go and get power overwhelming or, you know, whatever it's called. But the show must go on. So, let the show go on. Now then, I realise this may be a bit of a long episode due to the fact that, you know, I did basically nothing for the first half. But, right, if you ignore that, then, yes, then it's all good, right? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. I'm not saying it's going to be exactly double the time I did nothing for, but, you know, I'm gonna aim for that. Run, everybody, run in this way. Now then, I'm not sure how to survive the dragon. I wonder, if I were to equip the great bow, and goes arrows, I think they work together. It does slow my roll down a fair amount, but, you know, it's worth testing. The dog has not appeared to notice me yet. Holy hell. It's a shame that your arrows aren't retrievable in this game. Hello, doggy. Hello, other doggy. Boom. I am Artorius, and I walk the abyss. Yeah. Now, how does one go about surviving the dragon flames? That is something I'm most interested in. Do you think Flash Sweat would help? No, does it not do anything? Okay. Okay, can I do this? Does it work? That worked, I think. But now what's the dragon gonna do? Ooh, there's a ledge there, I think. Unless it's not something you can actually get to. Ah, shit, I missed. I tried, man, I tried. What is this, man? This seems unfair. It seems, like, really unfair. I'm not chuffed with this. I'm not chuffed. Right, fuck it. I have decided to use the internet to my aid. Don't judge me. The Astoris' straight sword. Still need to go and collect that in this playthrough. It's one of my favourite weapons in the game, even though I don't use it because it's not the best. I should have the right sort of gear to use it though. Gear stats. So, you know, I might give it a shot. Dunno. We'll see. Back to the beginning again. The beginning again. Yeah. Excuse my extreme musical talent there. Isn't it lovely? So, hello there. How you doing?
What? Is the black dragon posing the duress?
Yes.
Yes. He's called Calamite. Ferocious dragon indeed. Even mighty Anna Londa dared not provoke his ire. I see little good coming from this, but thy intent is to persevere to the bitter end. Good, good. What is bravery without a dash of recklessness? I've taken a liking to thee, and I owe thee much for thy service to Artorias. Now, watch and see how Goth hunts dragons.
It was Goth. I thought it was Go. My bad. Like Vincent van Gogh, but no, it's actually Goth this time. He was dusty. Bloody hell. I like his armor. I really do like his armor a lot.
Yes, that bat will be granted. The rest is in dragon slaying.
Alright, Goth. Thank you. I may return, and when I do, it may be your end. My apologies, but I want your armor set. But it may not, because I do like you. Dun, 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 dun. Gonna have another rest before heading back there. Now then, I highly doubt Iron Flesh is actually going to do much use here. And I highly doubt Black Flame will either, but Flash Sweat might. If they try and use fire on me. So, who's ready to take on Calamite, eh? Hey? Told you we'd be doing it this episode. Now the question is, as we're playing the game of Dragon Thrones here, will we win? Or will we die again? One way to find out. And that's to watch the next episode of No, I'll try this episode one more time. But if I fail, if I fail, then you'll have to tune in next time. And next time I will hopefully have managed to get the thing out of my eye, which is currently residing in my eye. Oh, if Calamite's grounded, does that mean I can just bitch shoot it with Go's arrows from the Dragon Slayer Great Bow? Or, I think it's Dragon Slayer anyway. Use the heal. Switch out to this. And see if we can bitch shoot the fucker. Calamite's an optional boss, I believe. But, as it is the truest calling of knighthood, I shall endeavour to meet it. Where are you, dragon? You're posing a problem by not actually being here, you know. I suppose they did that so you can't just bitch out the whole fight without a bit of effort. Oh well. Hello. Ow. That hurt. Heal. Twice. Ah. And I'm dead? No, I'm not dead. That's good. I'm so not ready for this fight, am I? Oh! Oh, jeez. Oh, jeezums. Now I'm dead. Yep. I did no damage. Oh well. That's attempt 1. As I said, attempt 2 will be in the next Sniffle Souls video. So I'd like to thank you for watching. And yes, I think that I would prefer to have you not mention my failures in the comments, but instead comment on how glorious Artorias' armor is. Look at it. Even worn by the Abyss, it still shines. Anyway, I'll see you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.